In this section, we're going to look at mostly the grid system and Flexbox, as well as some alignment classes. So this is the grid here. We have different examples of what we can do with columns. You can see here we have a completely responsive row that will change on different screen sizes. So if I were to make this, let's say, large, it's going to be a 10 column by 2 column, or extra large, I should say. If we go to large, it'll be a 9 by 3. If we go to 8, if we go to medium, it'll be 8 by 4, and small will be 6 by 6. So you can see that that will change, and we're looking at these 2 columns here. So if I change that, you can see that it goes, small screens will be 2 6-column divs, and then when we get to mobile, it'll just be stacked. We can also do equal width on all screen sizes. We can do equal width multi-rows. We can do auto layouts. We can do offsets. Okay, so I'll show you how to offset columns. I'll also show you how to nest rows or nest grids. Okay, then we'll look at grid alignment. So if we wanted to align everything to the top, middle, or bottom, if we wanted to align individual column content, if we want to justify content, down here I'll show you how we can remove gutters and remove the spacing from the grid. So we'll be looking at that stuff. And then Flexbox, so I'll show you how to create a Flex container with some items, how to align them, how to distribute the space around them differently with different classes. So for instance, this is space around, this is space between. Then we'll look at flex columns, which will align everything vertically instead of horizontally. We'll also look at vertical alignment. Okay, so just about everything that Bootstrap has to do with Flexbox we'll be looking at here. And then auto margins and wrap. So if we wanted to do margin left auto, margin right auto, or margin left and right auto, we have classes for that. We'll do it with the flex row and flex column. We're also going to look at how wrapping works. All right, guys, so that's what we're going to do in this section.